Over the years, Steffes has developed multiple room heating systems. This video will help you identify what the model and serial number of your room heater is. The 2100 series room heater, our current room heater, is distinguishable by the 4-digit LED display in the top right corner of the heater. The 2000 series room heater has a 3-digit LED display in the top right corner, with 2 indicator lights under the M and down arrow buttons. If your room heater has a 4-digit LED display, but it says Quantum, it is a 2000 series heater with upgraded control boards. The serial tags for a 2100 and 2000 series heaters can be found on the bottom left side panel of the heater, close to the floor. The 1000 series room heater has a 3-digit LED display in the top right corner, with vents on the top domed part of the heater. The serial tag can be found on the top right of the heater, behind the grill, towards the back. The S and EXT series heaters have dials and switches to control the heater instead of a digital display. The S series room heater has a small dial located in the bottom right corner of the heater. The EXT series heater has a dial, heat storage, and charge level toggle switches, and indicator lights in the top right corner of the heater. The S series and the EXT series serial tag can be found on the bottom right side panel, towards the floor of the heater. For additional information, please refer to your owner's and installer's manual. You can download a manual for your heater on our website at steffes.com.